Hello everybody, in today's very quick, simple and insanely basic video tutorial we are going to quickly demonstrate how you can, well, put your Microsoft Surface to charging, or to put it in other words, charge your Microsoft Surface device. So all that you need to have is the charging cable, USB-C to be exact, and well, the tablet/laptop itself. So in here, if you'll put it into the landscape mode, not flipped, but the default one, well, you have the selfie camera at the top. At the top right of the Surface device frame, you'll have two. I hope you can see it, guys. You have two USB-C type ports, charging ports, or whatever is that you would insert into those ports. They're not solely for charging, obviously. So simply take your USB-C cable, plug it into power, and put it inside your Microsoft Surface, like so. And as you will be able to see now, right over here, it shows that our tablet is charging already. So that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.